In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to split and cut a video in Clipchamp, step by step. If you're editing a project and need to remove mistakes, trim out unwanted sections, or break a long clip into smaller parts, knowing how to split your footage properly is essential. The good news is, Clipchamp makes this incredibly simple once you know where to click. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to quickly split any clip in your timeline and cut out the sections you don't need. And if you find this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss future editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Clipchamp and go to any project of your choice. You can either create a new project from the home screen or open an existing one that you've already been working on. Once you're inside the editor, make sure your video clip is already added to the timeline. If it's not there yet, simply drag your video from the media library down into the timeline area at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your editing happens. Take a moment to zoom in on your timeline if needed, so you can clearly see the exact part of the video you want to edit. The more precise you are here, the cleaner your cut will be. Now, for the next step, click on the cursor in the timeline. This is also called the playhead. Drag the playhead to the exact point where you want to split the video. You can either drag it manually across the timeline or press the spacebar to play the video and pause it at the precise moment you want to make your cut. This is especially helpful if you're trying to remove a mistake in speech, cut out a pause, or separate two different scenes. Make sure the playhead is positioned exactly where you want the split to happen, because Clipchamp will cut the clip at that exact frame. If you need to be extra accurate, zoom further into the timeline using the zoom controls so you can place the cursor more precisely. Accuracy at this stage will save you time later and prevent uneven cuts. Once your playhead is in the correct position, click on the clip in the timeline to make sure it's selected. Then look for the scissor icon in the toolbar above the timeline. This is the split button. Go ahead and click on the scissor icon. Instantly, Clipchamp will split your single clip into two separate clips at the point where your playhead was placed. It's that simple. Now you can click on either section independently. If your goal is to cut something out, simply click on the unwanted section and press the delete key on your keyboard. The remaining clips will stay in place, and you can drag them together to close any gap if needed. You can repeat this process as many times as you like to create multiple cuts throughout your video. And that's how you split and cut video in Clipchamp. It's a quick but powerful editing technique that gives you full control over your content. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple and practical Clipchamp tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.